Hi everyone, this is Sora. Today is such a good weather, so I'll be painting this wishbone flower that's in my home yard. I'm working with a Himi gouache on my brown sketchbook with some basic drawing tools. I'm just going to do a very quick sketch. I kinda like how my cat is next by my side when I'm painting, licking away his paw. And just put in some colors roughly. The colors I use for this painting is not a lot. Kind of some rose red, white, and yellow for the accent color. Ultramarine blue for some shadow just to bring out the warmth of the flower a bit more. Then I'm just gonna to finish up with some simple stem and leaf. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it.